This is our miracle kitty. This is the mom. That's Sasha girl. And these are Sasha's babies. Kind of hard to see them right now because it's so dark in there, but I can't let them get cold. And this is our miracle. See him struggling out there? That's our miracle. And you're going to see why in a second. Our baby has 2 heads. That's my miracle baby. This little guy here almost killed his mama today because she couldn't born him. So they all had an emergency C-section. And the doctor saved us all. Nope, Mama's running away. Hang on. Hang on, little man. Where are you going? You're feisty, man. You can't be on the road. You just had a C-section, woman. Come on, them babies want to sit. Oh, that's still recording. Sorry, guys. Okay, this is where my cats are staying tonight. Because I have to stay on a heating pad. And, well, right now I need to go make milk and feed them because it doesn't look like she's going to right now. She's probably still a little spaced out of it. My poor baby girl. I'm so thankful to Dr. Sean Smith and Monique, and I can't even remember the other girl's name, but if it wasn't for them, I would have lost 3 babies. Now I have all my babies.